because I'm tired of seeing y'all out here looking like Humpty Dumpty all his life had to fight, and it could have been a 10. Come on, baby. Come on. Sometimes why? All aboard. Bam. Baby, listen, I am locked, loaded, and ready to go with this review. So we are gonna hop right into this. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring the bell, drop your girl a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And slay you shall receive with Outre, baby. So we're gonna hop right into this unit. This is in the style Kalani in a number 2. She's a 12-inch bob by the Melted Hairline Collection. So baby, coming to the stage, singing her top hit, Slay You Shall Get. It is Miss Kalani. And roll that beautiful frontal hairline footage. Baby, I'm so glad that I went with a shorter style this go around. Now do keep in mind, this is a frontal effect hairline unit. She is going to come with a preset part. Don't know if it's going to be adjustable, but we'll see, and we'll make it do what it do. I am interested in a couple of cutesy pootsy styles with this unit. And of course, naturally, we will go with the traditional look on the stock card. Now, the texture on here looks pretty decent. Under these lights, it is going to be a little shiny. Okay. Don't fall, Outre. And I'm already digging the length, baby. And she looks like she has some oomph, some body, and some density to her, baby. So yes, get into her, baby. Get into her. Ow. Work it, Kalani. Work it.
Lucky I'm alive with you by my side. Yeah, feeling so right with the love bonafide. Ride or die, running loyalty, you got in those veins. You be thinking about me 24/7, 365 every day. More than I'm feeling, I can verify that. Check mark for whatever your wish is my command. We can go to wherever, nothing really matters as long as we're together. Baby, you're the one. Baby, I promise that 널 지켜줄게. I know you'll do the same thing. 달콤한 slow 말해줬으면 해. 말해줬으면 You're all that I'm craving. Something about you tells me I don't wanna waste this time. Angel in disguise, yeah, I made you mine. Soon as I wake in the morning, forget all my problems. 햇살같이 따뜻해 너의 봄에. 피곤한 하루 끝나고 내 팔을 뺄 때 like the first time. 자꾸 설레 I'll be your repeat love at first sight. Focus on your eyes and your lips and your hips. Something about you really got me addicted. More than I'm feeling, I can verify that. Check mark for whatever your wish is my command. We can go to wherever, nothing really matters as long as we're together. Baby, you're the one. Baby, I promise that 널 지켜줄게. I know you'll do the same thing. 달콤한 slow 말해줬으면 해. 말해줬으면 You're all that I'm craving.
Enough said. Listen. There is one thing that I want to do with this unit, just to kind of, you know, give it a little personal touch. These ends right here, I'm not really feeling too much. I think they're just a little too long considering the layer effect that I was trying to get. So I'm actually just going to snip this kind of like right here. I'm not going to cut it bluntly. I'm just going to kind of cut it really haphazardly and really kind of messy like, just to even it out. I think I'm going to do this one right here as well. Okay, just a little bit more on this one. And see how I'm cutting? I'm not like going straight across. I'm going up and down just to even it out. And you see how it kind of behaves a little bit better. I could possibly go through and cut this just a little bit more, which I think I will do. Just to bring in that layer. And then we have this one here. I think I'm going to just leave that and kind of tuck it in. This is giving me Rich Auntie just caught a flight to Cuba. And I'm here for it, baby. Bring me my drink. Listen. So Miss Kalani, this is part of the Melted Hairline Collection. Parting space is on the right side and it's not curved. I don't know why we keep doing these straight backs. So I did go ahead and curve the part just to make it look a little bit more natural. Do take heed that this is a thick density unit at the crown, so you will have to apply some heat. Usually I go through with my do-rag on top and I'll do the blow dryer on top just to kind of tame the crown. This go around I felt comfortable using my hot iron or my hot comb, and this is actually set to 230. You can kind of see it. Hopefully you see it. If you don't, oh well. But it did take to the heat really good. I am getting a little bit of hump action back here, not too big of a deal, and I did have to go through this part a little bit more than I wanted to, but I think it still came together really nicely. I'm really curious as to what this would look like just with the curls loosened up a bit. But however, I do want to see if I can tease this and kind of get like that va-va-va-voom factor, baby. So I'm just going to take first my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to go right underneath this first layer, and I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to tease it just a little bit just to see if we can get like a little bit more of a va-va-va-voom type of factor with her, honey. And I'll go a little bit here, but I don't want to do too much because I don't want it to have that teased look, you know what I'm saying? And boom, look at that, baby. Look at her. Now, I'm not really feeling this flip right here, but I mean, that's doable. You know, you could just kind of comb that in. That's just kind of nitpicking in my opinion. But I think this teased out. Listen. So I'm going to do a little bit more. And I think I am going to do this side. So if you ever wonder how I get my units to look a little bit more voluminous, this is what I do. I really love the like messy kind of carefree look, and that is definitely what this is giving me. Now if you wanted to and you wanted this to kind of hold into place, you could go through any of your sprays. I don't necessarily recommend this because this will hold and it can get crunchy. However, you got to use what you got, right? So I'm just going to spray it just a little bit right at the ends and then shake it out a little bit, and you can kind of see that the hair will just kind of poof up on its own, baby. So this definitely gives you more of a voluminous look, and you definitely want to go through with your hot comb and apply it just at the crown where you teased in certain areas, because we definitely don't want to be doing the Humpty dance, okay? Because I'm tired of seeing y'all out here looking like Humpty Dumpty all his life had to fight, and it could have been a 10. Come on, baby. Come on. So we are going to go ahead and smooth this out, and a little bit more here. See how this side right here is giving me a little problem? Just a little bit. I would go through with my do-rag and my blow dryer and just be done with it. And I think we are good to go, baby. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Biggity. Bam. I'm about to catch my flight to Cuba, and yeah, I don't know what they drink in Cuba, but bring me a drink. So definitely big thank you to Outre for sending out this unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you are interested in checking out the information for Kalani in the color number 2, definitely hit up the description box down below. It will take you directly to the Google search link, as well as my Amazon storefront link will be listed as well. Do keep in mind the prices will vary. I am not in charge of that, honey, okay? If you choose the Amazon link, I do make a little teeny bit of commission, which I think is well deserved. But thank you so much to all of you for tuning in to this video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, ring the bell, drop your girl a comment down below, most importantly share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.